You've seen them everywhere, those dazzling, handcrafted neon signs illuminating bars, bedrooms, and even weddings. But have you ever wondered how much money these glowing works of art actually bring in? Custom neon signs have exploded in popularity, transforming from vintage relics to trendy decor. But while the aesthetic is undeniably cool, the business side of things can be a bit murky. Today, we're diving deep to uncover the often hidden world of custom neon sign revenue. We'll explore the factors that influence pricing, the average revenue per sign, and how successful neon businesses are actually generating income. We'll also touch on the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead for this vibrant industry. So, grab your favorite beverage and get ready to glow up your knowledge with this in-depth look at the revenue of custom neon signs. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Pricing powerhouses. The price of a custom neon sign is a delicate dance of artistry and materials. Factors like size, complexity, think intricate curves and multiple colors, and the type of neon used, glass or LED, all play a significant role. Handmade glass neon tends to be pricier due to the labor-intensive process. LED neon, while more affordable to produce, may not always command the same premium price. The revenue spectrum. The average revenue per sign can vary wildly, ranging from a few $100s for simpler designs to thousands for elaborate masterpieces. High-end, bespoke commissions for businesses or luxury residences can easily push into the tens of thousands of dollars. Beyond the sign sale. Smart businesses are diversifying their revenue streams beyond just selling the signs themselves. Consider these avenues. Design services, offering custom design consultations and mock-ups, can generate income up front. Installation services, providing professional installation, can increase customer satisfaction and add another revenue stream. Maintenance and repair, offering repair services for existing neon signs, taps into a recurring revenue model. Merchandise, selling related merchandise like t-shirts, stickers, or even smaller neon accents can boost revenue. The challenges. The custom neon business isn't without its challenges. Competition. The market is becoming increasingly competitive, with new players entering the field constantly. Material costs. The cost of materials, particularly glass tubing, can fluctuate significantly. Labor costs. Skilled neon benders are in high demand, and their expertise comes at a premium. The future of neon. Despite the challenges, the future of custom neon remains bright. Sustainability. The industry is exploring more sustainable practices, such as using recycled materials and energy-efficient LED technology. Technological advancements in design and manufacturing are streamlining processes and opening up new creative possibilities. Evolving trends. Staying ahead of the curve by embracing new trends and design aesthetics is crucial for long-term success. So, there you have it, a glimpse into the fascinating world of custom neon sign revenue. If you're a budding entrepreneur or simply a curious mind, hopefully, this video has shed some light on this captivating industry. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.